Hello, everyone. I am Anthony Pham. I am the Product Support Manager here at QuizCom. Thank you for attending this webcast about how daily SharePoint content editing can be done 10 times faster with QuizCom tools. In this session, I'll show you a set of tools which can dramatically improve your daily content editing work by enabling you to work faster. Before I get started, I want to introduce you to the organization I work for. QuizCom Corporation is one of the top vendors of SharePoint add-ons. We have over 7,000 customers worldwide. Our product catalog includes over 50 products and add-ons for SharePoint on-premise and cloud environments. Each product solves a SharePoint challenge. Let's all be in agreement. We all face a few SharePoint challenges in our lives. The challenge that I want to discuss with you today is how can SharePoint users improve their daily content editing so that you can work faster and more productively. I will show you how this is done by demonstrating the following QuizCom tools. Datasheet view for SharePoint 2013 and 16. It supports all the Excel-like features on Internet Explorers that many people use in SharePoint 2010, like bulk edit actions for your lists. However, what about other browsers such as Firefox and Chrome? For that use case, we have SharePoint Inline Editor. This allows you to edit, update bulk lists of items fast. It works with all browsers, unlike Datasheet View or Quick Edit View, which uses ActiveX, which is a proprietary Microsoft technology. The list inline editor uses standard JavaScript, which works on all browsers, including Firefox and Chrome. Another useful feature is Paste Plus. It enables users to easily copy images and rich text documents into SharePoint rich text fields on SharePoint Online. We also have another version for on-premise environments too. One of my favorite tools is Copy and Move SharePoint content. With this tool, you can easily move and copy SharePoint items, documents, and pages across different sites, site collections, and even web applications. Finally, File Bulk Zip. With this feature, you can simply select multiple documents, click the Zip and Download feature, and that's it. The selected files are zipped into a zip file and downloaded to your local desktop, all in one shot. So now let's go to my demonstration on how each of these tools work on my SharePoint site. So for my first demonstration, I will be showing you SharePoint Datasheet view for SharePoint 2013 and 16. In SharePoint 2013, Datasheet view was replaced by Microsoft's Quick Edit. However, now with Datasheet view for SharePoint 2013 by QuizCom, I can now perform the same actions from Datasheet view in SharePoint 2010, like bulk copy and paste from Excel. So let me go to the list ribbon where I will enable Datasheet view here. Now I'll go to my Excel file and copy and paste my items. Go back to Datasheet view and paste. And just like that, my items are pasted. I have the same features and menu options that I did in the original SharePoint 2010 datasheet view. And that's it. Moving on to my next tool is SharePoint Inline Editor. This tool allows me to edit bulk list items very fast on any browser compared to the previous tool, which is only supported on Internet Explorer because it's ActiveX based. Now, with Inline Editor, I can do the same bulk edit and copy paste actions in any browser such as Chrome and Firefox. So in my example here, I have a Chrome browser open, and I will easily switch to inline edit view by clicking the feature in the ribbon here or clicking F2. I will now copy and paste bulk items from Excel into my SharePoint list. So I will go into my Excel file. I'll copy about 100 items, and I will paste. There you go. I can now paste all my items directly into my list. As you can see here, I can even map the pasted data to my desired SharePoint fields by selecting them in the menu columns here. So I'll just leave them as default and paste to list. So because there's 100 items, this does take a little time to upload. So stand by and watch the magic happen. There you go. So I was easily able to copy and paste all these items quickly and easily. Another great feature about Inline Editor is that it allows me to also quickly edit multiple values in line. Click F2. So let me quickly and easily select some items from the status field. Now I want to set the status for all these to resolved. And that's it. So in a matter of a few clicks, I was able to quickly and easily set the status to resolve on multiple items. Inline Editor also supports custom fields. So for my next example, I have a store location list here. And in this example, I have some custom fields called QuizCom Cascading Lookup field types, which are the region, country, and city fields. In Datasheet view and Quick Edit view, these fields don't work because they do not support custom fields. However, in Inline Editor, these QuizCom Cascading Lookup fields are supported and work. They also support any other custom fields from other vendors. This is QuizCom's commitment to you. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, these fields don't populate at all because they are custom fields. However, if I go to Quick Edit View, these custom fields work. So let me select the region, country, and finally city. And that's it. Wasn't that easy? My next tool that I'll be demonstrating is called Copy and Move SharePoint Content. So one of my favorite tools is Copy and Move SharePoint Content. With this tool, you can easily move documents, item, pages across different sites, site collections, and even web applications. In this library that you see here, I have several documents, and I will select them. And I will copy them by going to the ribbon and selecting copy or move. For this demonstration, I'll select copy. Then I'll go to another subsite. Let's go to the sales subsite. And I will paste those items by clicking on the paste function in the ribbon. And there you go. I was easily able to copy and paste those documents to another subsite. Now, let me copy and paste these same documents to another site collection. This site collection is called remote. So I'll just paste them here. And there you go. I was easily able to copy and paste those documents to another site collection. When pasted, the documents keep the original created by, modified by fields, and even show the version history data. Another great feature is Paste Plus app. It enables users to easily copy images, rich text documents into SharePoint rich text fields on SharePoint Online. We also have another version for on-premise environments too. In my first example, I will copy and paste some text and images from my Word document and easily paste them directly into my SharePoint page. So let me edit my SharePoint page here. Next, I'll go to my Word document. So let me just copy some images and text here. Copy it. Now let's go back to my SharePoint page. I'll click on Control V to paste. As you can see, this prompt shows that Paste Plus is working. And there you go. I was easily able to copy and paste directly into my SharePoint page. No need to upload the images to a library. So let me save it. Yeah, it wasn't that easy. I also have another example. In my second example, I will copy an entire Word document from the Window Explorer and easily paste the content directly into the SharePoint page. So remember that Word document I opened? I don't even need to open it in order to copy and paste the content. So let me go to my Window Explorer. I'll right click and copy the file. Now let's edit the page and I will copy the contents of that entire Word document into my page. Okay, there you go. I was easily able to quickly and seamlessly paste the content of my entire Word document into my page. So let me save it. Okay. For my third example, you can also copy and paste other Word documents such as PowerPoint. So I will do that for my third example. So let me edit this page. And here is my PowerPoint presentation. I'll show you the contents. It's basically about 12 slides. So I'll go to the Explorer, copy, go to my page, paste it. And if you notice the right-hand side, you notice the upload progress. So there's 12 slides, and that's it. And there you go. I was easily able to copy and paste my PowerPoint file from the Window Explorer and easily paste the contents directly into my page. All the slides are pasted without me having to open the PowerPoint document. This is great news for document writers for SharePoint, especially if you're moving existing Word documents or PowerPoints into SharePoint. This makes the whole process more easier, seamlessly, and you can be more productive. Finally, for my last example is with File Bulk Zip. With this feature, you can simply select multiple files like so and zip them. So I'll just go to the ribbon and select Zip Document. And there you go. I was easily able to select multiple documents, zip them, all in one shot. So this is what the documents look like. I can even automate another process where I zip and send these documents in an email. So I can give it a file name, send it to an individual, write my message information, and send it. And that's it. Wasn't that easy? So that ends my demonstrations. Let me go back to my PowerPoint slides. So this completes my demonstration. I will now summarize all the great tools that I demonstrated to you to improve the daily content editing so that users can work a lot faster and more productively. So the first product I showed you was SharePoint 2013 Datasheet view. It replaces the existing quick edit view and it allows you to perform the same great functions that you're used to in SharePoint 2010 Datasheet view, such as copy and paste bulk items from Excel directly into your SharePoint list. The next feature I showed you was List Inline Editor. This tool allows you to quickly and easily make bulk edits and add new items to any browser, not just Internet Explorer. It allows you to do this on Chrome and Firefox. It also supports any custom fields, including any from other vendors. This is Quizcom's commitment to you. The next product I showed you was Copy and Move SharePoint content. This allows you to quickly copy and move SharePoint items, documents, pages across different sites, site collections, and even web applications quickly. The next feature I showed you was Paste Plus. This is for SharePoint Online, and it allows you to copy and paste directly into SharePoint rich text fields. We also have on-premise version 2. So I showed you several examples of that, including copying images and formatted text from my Word document. I even copied the entire contents of my Word documents and PowerPoints directly into my SharePoint page without even opening those documents. Isn't that incredible? And finally, the last product I showed you was File Bulk Zip feature. So this feature allows you to quickly select multiple documents and zip them, or even zip them and emailing them, all without leaving SharePoint. And that completes my webcast today. If you have any questions, please email me at anthony@quizcom.com. Also subscribe to any future webcasts if you like my current webcast today.